Important. Prepositions. For all exams. In the afternoon. Adapt to. Blind to. Meddle with. Escape from. Search for. Access to. Ready for. Disgust with. Tired of. Envious of. Furnish with. Trust in. Attack on. Due to. Aversion to. Bent on. Accuse of. Fit for. Forgetful of. Liking for. Ignorant of. Enmity with. Jump at. Key to. Protest against. Interested in. Acquaintance with. Escape from. Confidence in. Notorious for. Dispose of. Useful for. Guilty of. Belong to. Proud of. Submit to. Surrender to. Compose on. Emerge from. Knock at. Belong to. Object to. Congratulate on. Convict of. Addict to. Absorb in. Eligible for. Beware of. Worthy of. Glance at. Match for. Impatient of. Attachment to. Part with. Exempt from. Qualify for. Involve in. Claim on. Contempt for. Experience in. Knowledge of. Necessity for. Proficiency in. Surprise at. Talent for. Loyal to. Consist of. Preside over. Deprive of. Remind of. Sick of. Intimate with. True to. Live on. Smile at. Abide by. Guard against. Aim at. Compensation for. Confident of. Eager for. Similar to. Cope with. Mix with. Despair of. Die of. Jealous of. Hope for. Popular with. Angry with. Slow at. Quick at. Pray to. Responsible for. On radio. On bicycle. In 2000. Laugh at. Most of. Prefer to. Busy with. Excel in. Deaf to. Afflict with. Fascination for. Fond of. Guarantee for. Grateful for. Pity for. Invite to. Sorry for. Free from. Prepare for. Jealous of. Lead to. Satisfy with. Greedy of. Abstain from. Show off. Insist on. Believe in. Depend on. Debar from. Argue with. Bear with. In summer. Excuse for. Listen to. Comply with. Prepare for. Consent to. Dash against. Prohibit from. Fall in love with. Assent to. On an animal's back. Quarrel with. Distinguish between. Approve of. Need for. In the evening. Deficient in. 1. Dra. Plea for. Name after. Indulge in. Take after. Penalty for. Provision for. Sympathy for. Innocent of. Fight with. Dispense with. Alight from. Canvas for. Get over. Mourn for. Yield to. Speak for. Good at. Weaken. Taste for. Prevent from. Depend on. Recover from. Excel in. Bad at. Affection for. Contrary to. Conscious of. Attribute to. Remarkable. Amaze at. Spend on. On TV. By car. On Sunday. By a person. Ask after. In bed. At night. At noon. Admission to. Attitude towards. Capacity for. Comment on. Honest in. Talented in. Occupy with. Thirst for. Slow at. Blessed with. Anxious for about. Eligible for. Essential to for. Foreign to. Ready for. Afraid of. Annoyed about. Eager for. Glad of about. Favorable to. Glad of. accustomed to, sorry for, delighted with, essential to for, engage in, famous for, familiar with, attend to, hopeful of, confirm to, concentrate on telephone, at 8 o'clock, in December, approach to, authority on, chance of, consequence of, exception to, hunger for, need for, short of, succumb to, derive from, vote for, refrain from, alien to, craving for, expert in, lack of, pity for, repent of,